Imagine this, the underground power line providing electrical service to your home significantly deteriorates over time, which results in arcing, causing a loss of power to your home. The underground power line has to be excavated and replaced due to extensive damage discovered during the repair work. How will you pay for this? Where will you live during the repair? Welcome to another Wednesday with Wayne. Today we are discussing service line coverage. Service line coverage provides protection from an unexpected loss caused by a service line occurrence. This sometimes unforeseen and costly exposure is not covered under most homeowners insurance policies, and most homeowners do not realize they are responsible for the underground service line from the street to their home. This product protects homeowners by extending coverage for damage to underground piping or wiring that connects a home to a public utility service provider or to a private system. This additional coverage can address damage to an underground service line as a result of a service line occurrence, costs required to repair or replace a property damaged by a service line occurrence, outdoor property that is damaged as a result of a service line occurrence, or damage during the excavation to repair or replace a damaged covered service line. Extra costs needed to make temporary repairs, expedite permanent repairs, or permanently replace a service line that is damaged as a result of a service line occurrence. Damage to underground wiring used for communication or data transmission. Additional living expense and rental value. For further details about service line coverage, visit www.wayneinsgroup.com or contact your local Wayne Insurance Group agent.